This is Mama Ella African Kitchen. Hey you guys, I bring to you again today the food they call Shapala. It's a Nigerian food. We call it Shapala. This is corn powder. But majorly they use fresh corn to make Shapala. It's a Yoruba food in Nigeria, but we can still use this one. It's going to be very awesome and delicious. This is our onion, this is our oil, palm oil, the salt. We have here fresh fish to make it better. Then we have pepper, powder pepper. It depends on what you like. You can use fresh pepper. Then we have water in order to mix our corn. This corn powder we first mix with oil. If you mix it with water at first, the oil will not be able to stable in the moisture when it's ready, and it's supposed to stable. And we have here our nylon, this polythene rubber. We're going to tie it after mixing all the ingredients. We're going to tie it there into shape. We are going to mold it there so that we have our shape. Now we want to start with this one. Anytime you want to use your oil and the water, they cannot stay together except you do it like this first. So you are going to mix it till everything mix together very well. After all, you're going to pour water gradually into it before the remaining ingredients, or better still the remaining ingredient before the water. But majorly we need oil to mix together with it before the water. Let's go on. We now have our corn dough like this with oil. Let's add our onion. Let's add it together and begin to mix it together. Mash it with our hand very well. Too much pepper, you can have it. Your own is just a little, and put it there. Depend on your choice. Guess what? It needs more sauce because it's corn. If it is beans, it doesn't require much salt. After mixing it together now, we are going to add water. And Maggi, don't forget to add Maggi. If you want to use spoon to stir it, it won't form very well. So it's better you rinse your hand very well and use spoon. You can see that the oil is not stable on the head. That's mixed with the dough. This is what is going to give us. We add our fish to it. Then the water is depend on your choice. There should not be too much lotion so that you will enjoy it. have little water to use my hand out and complete the new one. Now you begin to do it in the polythene nylon like this. It depends on your choice. You can squeeze your fish or you can put it big. Just tie your nylon like this. You have your Shapala done. This one is a Yoruba food, one of Yoruba food. We call it Shapala. Very delicious. This is Mama Ella African Kitchen. Your family will love you. Don't forget, when our water is boiling, you shake it well like this and begin to put it there one by one. Shake it, begin to put it there to have a better mold. Yes, so we now have our Shapala. Some people say Shapala Budi Koru. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you click the like button and also comment below. How do you do your own and how do you see this one? It's very reddish, normal, because of palm oil, and it's good, always good if you use palm oil to make it. Can you see? It's very attractive and very fine. As you see this Shapala, you can use it to drink pap, you can eat it like that. It's also good. Wow, fantastic. Please subscribe to this channel and comment in the comments below section. Wow. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. This is Mama Ella African Kitchen. Mama Ella African Kitchen. Wow, see. So delicious. Gosh, please join me and let's dine in and wine together. It's also good and it's also fine. Shapala has come. It's very nice. Fantastic. Oh, so delicious. How do you do your own? Probably you are using the same corn. In order to mold your own, please comment below and let me know. See you. Bye bye. In the news video. Bye bye. Mama Ella African Kitchen.